Continuity is about smooth behavior. When something moves without breaks or jumps, we say the motion is continuous. In mathematics, continuity means a function behaves smoothly as we move along it. Here, the curve is drawn in one smooth motion. There are no gaps and no sudden changes. At every point, the movement continues naturally. This is an example of a continuous function. Now observe what happens here. The motion suddenly jumps to a new position. This break in movement shows discontinuity. The function does not behave smoothly at this point. In this case, the curve looks smooth, but there is a small missing point. As we approach the point, the motion stops. This missing value creates discontinuity. On one side, the motion flows smoothly. On the other side, the motion is interrupted. This comparison helps us clearly see the difference between continuity and discontinuity. Imagine drawing a curve without lifting your pen. The line flows naturally from start to end. If the pen lifts, the drawing breaks. This simple idea explains continuity very clearly. Here, the moving point passes through smoothly. There is no stop and no sudden change. This shows continuity at a specific point. The function behaves normally at that location. In real life, smooth motion feels natural. A moving object follows a path without interruption. When the path breaks, the motion stops. This real-life idea helps us understand continuity. Continuity means smooth behavior without breaks. A function is continuous when it flows naturally as we move from one point to another. Understanding continuity is essential before learning limits and derivatives. If this visual explanation helped you, subscribe to the MathsWhisperer channel for more clear and concept-based mathematics. Share this video with your classmates. And tell us which country you are watching from.